I don't really believe in lucky things, but this cake showed up when I needed it. And it was a time when everything felt stuck. Plans didn't work. Days felt the same. On days like that, I bake something simple, something that won't disappoint. This recipe never failed me, even when I felt like I was failing. I learned not to rush this part, or anything really. Some days, just getting this right felt like a small win. I started calling it my lucky cake, not because it changed everything, but because it helped me get through. It always came out right, and for a moment, that was enough. Some recipes feel like luck when you need it most.